Um, I'm not sure what exactly I did to cause this. I might upload this. I'll probably upload this. But I just noticed something. So, I've just finished doing a recording. I'll upload it probably tomorrow, ideally. And, well, normally after I end an episode, I'll open a pack or two. Forgot to do that, so I went ahead, did it now. And, alright, alright. What the heck? Um, there are people who are asleep right now, so I will try to contain myself. That one's nice. That one's fine. That one's okay. I think I've already got that one. But, sure. Hey, what up, brother? Alright. This intrigues me. For one reason, I don't have too many choose ones, actually, that I would use. How do I not have any of you? How do I have no Mire Keepers? What the heck? You know, getting him might make me craft a Mire Keeper. Also, these ancients. But yeah, him plus him, I might make a Yogg deck. Or at least a token deck. Wow. Priest and Druid. Apparently those are my big classes. This is a good night. After the last game that I played against the Warrior, which you'll see eventually, this is a nice one.